have lost my glasses. Oh no. Oh, I can't find them anywhere. Well, the show must go on. Good morning, my wee rays of summer sunshine. Welcome to Miss Green's Perfectly Positive Vocabulary Word of the Week. Well, you see, I was so excited to talk about kind words today, but I can't even read my notes. I know. I'll say 3 words and you tell me which one is a kind word. And maybe, we can define or describe kind words together. Yes! Oh, thank goodness you are here to help me. Okay. First, how about these 3 words? Unicorn. Ice cream. Oh, I love ice cream. Smart. Which word, unicorn, ice cream, or smart, is a kind word? What do you think? Smart? You are unicorn. You are ice cream. You are smart. You're right. Smart is a kind word. Now, how is smart different from ice cream and unicorns? I like ice cream and unicorns and being smart. But what makes smart the kind word? Perhaps kind words aren't just words we like, but what do you think about this? Kind words describe in a kind way someone or something. We've got it! Thank you so much for all your help. I didn't even need my glasses today. You are all so smart. Now, go out there and use your kind words to make someone smile this week. And if you see my glasses anywhere, please tell me. Until then, remember, words are powerful, words are fun, and words connect us all.